Hello again. In this lecture we will extend the entrance hall area by modifying the exterior walls. There are several ways to do this, and the method I will use is splitting the wall with this command, split an element. I'm going to place the cursor on the wall, and let's try to split in this intersection with the interior wall. Now, you have to make sure the wall is highlighted, or one of its tracking lines. Look that it says here exterior wall. However, if I move a bit up, now it highlights the interior wall instead. And if I click, I splitted the wrong wall. In the warning it says I cannot keep the elements joined. So click on cancel, let's try again. And now I can click here, then I press escape, select the wall, and you can see there are two exterior walls at this moment. Okay, now let's try to move this wall downwards. They are coming both together. Why? By default, both walls are joined at this point, and I have to do an operation to allow them to separate. One of the ways is click here with the right button and then click on Disallow Join. Now, with the Move command, I select this endpoint as my start point, and now I can drag the wall 1000 mm to this side. Nice, but still I have some problems here. First, you can notice the floor came together. That's alright, because this is something we will fix after. Then we have this warning. Highlighted walls are attached to, but miss the highlight targets. Sometimes it's a bit hard to understand what the target is, and in this case, it's actually the roof. I can notice that if I switch to the section tool. As you can see, both wall and roof are highlighted because they don't attach to each other anymore. Let's click on detach targets, and then later I have to fix the roof. Back on the ground floor, I'm going to insert now an exterior wall. And now, I think the finish face is not on the right side. Yes, it's true. But we can fix this easily. Just switch the location line to finish face interior. Then I'm going to try again. It's not the right point. Press escape and try at this end point instead. Yes, it's here. Then click to intersect to the wall below. The walls didn't join because before I activated the option Disallow Join to the wall. When this happens, just click on this symbol to join the walls again. Now let's view the result in a 3D view. Save the project. Now look, the walls are now correct, but there are things we still need to fix here. We are going to edit the floors, which is the topic of the next lecture.